I keep having all these people just stare at me, and I'm very much getting that like I've never seen a black person before look. Like I just know that's what it is. They're just like, you are out of place, ma'am, and I'm just here like la di da di da. I live in Mexico. I'm a Mexican resident. Okay, so it's my third day here in Merida, and I'm going to the grocery store. Oh, that was loud. I'm trying to find a grocery store. I haven't been able to find a grocery store. And today I'm finally like, oh, they do have a Soriana up the street. So I'm walking to it. It's like 8 in the morning. It's already 85 degrees. It's another one of those days where it's going to go up to 103. So, man, I'm not ready. But I'm walking on Paseo 60. So this is like a bougie side of town. A lot of bar, restaurants, fancy, fancy. It's interesting because you pass through some areas and it'll be like so local. And then you pass through another area and it's like so developed. So super interesting. I have been struggling to find a supermarket, so I Google mapped to a Soriana and they just said that there's no Soriana there. So people are telling me Walmart, and I'm just like, I guess I might have to suck it up and go to Walmart to get my groceries. Okay, okay, I'm giving up and I'm going to Starbucks. It's so cute in here. And Google Maps was lying to me, y'all. I was trying to find this Walmart, and it kept telling me there's no damn Walmart. And here they have a big ass Walmart sign. Already got my Starbucks. About to grab some groceries in Walmart. I literally have a meeting in an hour, so I need to run and do this fast. So I had some stuff, and it's time to go. Leaving Walmart now. I'll have to come back in a few days because I need. Well, I'm changing Airbnbs in 2 days, so I don't want to buy too much stuff from my current Airbnb. I'd rather wait until I'm in the new one to just, you know, get stuff for the next week. So I am going to speed walk home because I have a meeting at 10 a.m. and it is currently 9 a.m. and I need to get my mind right. I'm going back home. Now I'm back in the hood, y'all. I'm back in the hood. Don't pay me no mind. Don't pay me no mind. I'm over here in real Mexico. But I feel pretty chill. Pretty chill. Hola. Buenos dias. I'm stepping out to go get some food, and right now it's 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Bruh, I haven't felt heat like this in a minute. Bruh, I feel like I just walked into a sauna. And I'm just permanently stuck in the sauna. Dang, it's hot, it's hot. We're just going right across the street. We're going jaywalk. Hopefully these people let me across. All right, I'm gonna try out this rotisserie chicken place. Muchas gracias. Okay, nos vemos mañana. I walked outside in 104 degree heat and there is literally no chicken at this place. I've been trying to try this place for days. Oh my god. But on the bright side, I got some tamarind water. Okie dokie, day number. This class is the hardest class I have taken. It's bar and boot camp. Jesus, for somebody who works out all the damn time, it is kicking my ass. I have no upper body strength. But we'll see how today goes. Oh, only halfway through it. Oh, look how much I'm sweating already. About to check out my first Airbnb in Merida, and oh my god, I'm gonna show y'all my luggage. I have so much stuff. I have one more week in Merida in a different Airbnb, and then I need to just downsize. I need to figure out what to do with some of my stuff, because there's no way I'm walking around with all these bags. I can't get them on the plane. So this is what I have. Yep, I got my big suitcase, my little one, my backpack, and then these are things I plan to use over the next week that I need to get rid of, and possibly some clothes because my bag is overweight right now. Alright, this is my block in the daytime. I guess it's not so sketchy looking in the day. Let me show y'all this crazy passageway we had to come down to get in. I came in and I'm like, it's giving jail. But once you got in, it's like gorgeous. I'm just getting to my second Airbnb. It's so cute. Specifically wanted a pool. We got a pool. All right, so I made it. And this is what my space looks like. All right, I'll go this way first. This is the kitchen. Actually, before we get there, there's an outdoor space. It's a cute little hammock. Kitchen, because I need to cook. This is my little living area. A cute bathroom. Ooh, you're kind of looking outdoor in the bathroom. It's kind of cool. And then this is the bedroom. All right, there's a little area I can work here. You can see the outdoor space from here. Cute, cute. There's a mirror. Hey, me. Right, and then this is so cute, and then this overlooks the pool. All right, so I'm about to go back to Walmart now because I want to buy groceries and things for the week since I'm gonna be in this place for at least a week. So I'm about to go. It's about 3 blocks from where I'm staying, and I'm gonna just stock up so that I have stuff for a couple days here. So I had a failed attempt at going to Walmart last time, and this time I should have more time. It's Friday evening. I'll just go in and grab my stuff and, you know, come back home. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me today. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to Walmart. So I literally live like probably 2 blocks from the Walmart. So my block look crazy. I'm gonna show you what my block look like, and then when you go like 1 block up the street, it's a whole different world. I'm like in the most modernized part now because before it was not given this. Okie dokie, I am back at Walmart. I have a little McDonald's, but for dessert. This is so cute. I love that. All right, I'm back in Walmart. So I'm back in Walmart, and I realized yesterday that I've never actually like been to a Walmart in the US. Not even one time. It wasn't even a thing. But here in Mexico, like Walmart is like the Target. Okay, like it is literally where you come for everything, groceries, all the things. So you'll see it behind me as I'm walking. I could even get my little fruits and whatnot. So it's pretty much given what Target gives in the US. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna stock up on my food for the week. So I'm gonna show y'all my little cart when I'm done. So I haven't found a fruteria here yet, so I'm gonna have to work with these Walmart mangoes. We gotta see. flavor this week. Sometimes I'll be wanting my little American snacks, but they just be wilding with the prices. I can't even count, but maybe it's not that bad. Maybe I can get one of those. I haven't had that in so long. They even have a bunch of wine, so you can get your wine in Walmart. A lot of the supermarkets here do this. You could get your alcohol right there in the supermarket. I don't think the US does that. Maybe Trader Joe's. But everywhere here is just whatever you want. I have to get this jumbo bottle of water. I gotta make sure I can bring all this stuff back. I need to buy one more thing and go home. I'm finally done and I'm about to go check out now. Try not to run my cart into the people. Check it out. This should be a plátano. Alright, it doesn't look like a lot, so hopefully I can carry it. I checked out and I'm walking home. I got like 3 bags at the big ass water here. But this is why I work out. So I got muscles and I can do this in, you know, one try. Let me see if these people are gonna be kind to me and let me cross. They are. But yeah, walking home now. It's about like 2 blocks here, so it won't be too bad. Damn, that light's going to change. I keep having all these people just stare at me, and I'm very much getting that like I've never seen a black person before look. Like I just know that's what it is. They're just like, you are out of place, ma'am. And I'm just here like, la di da di da. I live in Mexico. I'm a Mexican resident. Back home, and here's the food I got to survive off of this week. Okay, I'm absolutely loving my new neighborhood. I wasn't too far from here, but at least now I'm like right by Paseo Montejo, which is basically the main strip. So I'm gonna grab some dinner. And yeah, I was gonna go to a place very close to my house, but then I was like, let me go to the place that's a 20-minute walk, because then that will give me a chance to see. Like this strip is just all like restaurants and bars and things like that. So yeah, I'm excited to just walk it because it's my first time actually being out at night ever since I've been here. And I've been here almost a week. I am definitely living in the New York of Merida at this point. I love it. 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 You can walk around at night. I was walking to this restaurant, this regular restaurant that people say is good. And then as I was passing, I just ran into this little marketplace and I was like, no, no, no. This is where I want to eat. I just want to eat the local food. So I'm excited. Okay. Hola. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, this is like the fruteria. Okay, okay. I like it. They're all fighting for the same customer. Oh my god, this is gonna be my first real Mexican meal since I made it to Merida. I cannot wait. Gracias. It is Evelyn. Oh my my god, it is evening time and I'm walking to go check out this park. It's a new park. I had to wait until the sun dropped. It's probably still 90 something right now, but the sun dropped, and man, it is so quiet down here, like so quiet. I'm just starting to see cars and things, but for the most part it was like me alone on this road for the longest. Cray. I'm still getting used to that. Look at that sunset in the back though. Pretty. That Mexican flag hanging high. Guys, so I almost talked myself out of coming to this park because as I was walking here, it was like so dark and so lonely on the streets. And I was like, is this safe? But then I was like, you know what? Just do it. And I'm so glad I did because I'm in one of the most beautiful parks I've ever seen ever. It is just gorgeous. I'm gonna have to come back in the daytime. Yeah, I might have to come back and show y'all in the daytime, but like I'm just really proud of myself for just like doing it because I'm just like I was like, I'm gonna just go back home, but we're like, no, we're gonna do it. We're gonna enjoy this experience. Do it scared. You know, just do it. So here I am, and it is absolutely stunning and was worth every second and every empty block. Definitely Uber in for sure after this. I'm gonna have to come back. There's a dance class happening behind me. Wow, there are all of these cool structures behind me. They have the cutest little food court area here that I'm walking through. And this is just making me miss Brooklyn a lot. It is making me miss home. And it's making me realize that I haven't been home in 5 months. Like since November, you know? So I'm like, I think I'm due for another trip. I might do a detour along the way and go home for a little bit because geez. This is really giving Brooklyn. Look, they even have the little trains. Oh, I need some home for a little bit. So I've been experiencing this feeling of nostalgia just being in this park. And it just hit me that like I literally haven't been to a park since I've been to Playa. Like Playa doesn't have parks like this, you know? And I'm a New York girl. Like I love my parks. Like I spent a lot of time in Brooklyn Bridge Park. Like that's like one of my favorite places ever. So just being here just makes me feel a little bit at home. I was just like, something feels so good. It's just that feeling that breeze from the water, just the pretty lights, the greenery. I'm like, wow, like yeah, I haven't been in a park in so long. So I'm feeling very, very nostalgic right now. And I'm appreciating this so much. So guys, I made some friends. Say hi.